Hello YouTube, it's me, Jonah, bringing you another how-to video. And today, Nancy's going to show us how to make Sushi California rolls. So Nancy prepares our ingredients for us. And many of these are available in your Asian grocery stores. This includes our bamboo rolling mat. First, we'll get our bowl of rice. Then we add approximately 2 tablespoons of sushi seasoning. And just to let you know, if you find my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Then about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Another 2 tablespoons of rice seasoning, which all mix together into the rice. And here we have our crab sticks and spinach. And this is imitation crab meat. And then we have our eggs, avocado, carrots, and cucumber, chopped up into sticks. And finally, our roasted seaweed wrap. First thing she does, Nancy unrolls the bamboo rolling mat. Then lays down the seaweed wrap, but make sure the rough side is up and the smooth side is down. Now she spreads the rice on the seaweed wrap, like so. Then places the crab sticks on. Next, the cucumber sticks. And the avocados, like so. Then the eggs on top of the crab sticks. And then the carrots. And finally, the spinach. Then she puts a little bit of extra rice before she starts to roll. So rolling can be a little tricky when doing it for the first time. Just roll slowly and putting a little pressure each time. Then she rolls it the second time and gives it a little extra pressure by squeezing it each time she rolls it. Here's another view and how she rolls it. Notice she also wets the ends of the seaweed wrap. By wetting the wrap with water, this makes the wrap stick better. Then she'll cut out the ends, and she gives that to me for snacks. And the good pieces after that will be served. And she cuts each piece about 1 inch thick. And if the wrap starts to unravel again, just add a little bit more water to make it stick. Now it's ready to serve. So if you liked my video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.